Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can earn money online with Adsterra platform. So first of all, we need to create a blog website, and after that we can create Adsterra account. Then we can create some ads, and after that we will add that ads into our blog website. So first of all, to create a blog website you need to get domain and hosting, and I will give the link in the description so that you can easily get domain and hosting. Here you can see, simply click here, get started, and after that you can select the package. You can select 12 months package as well as 36 months. Then scroll down, and if you want to create a single website, then simply you can select the basic package. And after that, now you need to fill out this form. So before that you need to select your domain name. For example, let me select and let me check if domain is available. Here you can see, make sure that your domain is available, and after that you need to fill out this form. And after that simply add payment details, then after that click here submit. So after getting domain and hosting, let me log in into my Bluehost account. After that, let me log in into my Bluehost account. Simply click here login button, and after that here you can add your domain name or user ID. Then after that click here next, then add password, then simply click next. So now you can see I have logged in into my Bluehost hosting account, and after that let me go and check websites. Here you can see these are the websites, and after that next step is to install WordPress. Simply you will get option here to install WordPress. And if you don't know how to install WordPress, just you can go here live chat, and after that here you can type install WordPress for me. Then Bluehost team will install WordPress for you. And after that let's go to hosting. Here you can see cPanel. Simply click here. And after that you need to go here, scroll down, then you will find this option here, WordPress, and also you can go with app installer. So let me click on the WordPress, and after that click install now. Then you need to select a domain. After that scroll down, here you need to add login details, username, password, as well as admin email. Then if you want to install these plugins, you can select. After that simply add here email address, then click install. After that you will get this type of interface. So this is basic WordPress theme. Now let me log in. So to log in any WordPress website, you need to add /wp-admin, and after that let me add login. So now I am in the WordPress dashboard. Now let's go here, and after that let me install a new theme from the WordPress theme library. Let me install Adsterra theme. After that click activate. So now I have installed Adsterra theme. Let me reload the website. Alright, so now the next step is just you need to search for Adsterra on the Google. Here you can see this is official website. Simply go here, and after that we can create a new account. simply click here sign up, and after that sign up as a publisher. Get started. Then here we can add email, full name, then after that username, then password, and let me select WhatsApp, and after that payment method, let me select bank transfer, then sign up. Now we need to confirm email, so let me go back, and after that now reload the page. Here you can see we got notification. Simply click here and after that scroll down, then confirm. So now email confirmation is complete. After that now simply we need to go back, then login. The next step is we need to add a website. Here you can see we don't have any website here. Simply click here, add a website, and here we need to add website link. Simply copy, and after that let me add. Then here we can select one of these. Let me add social, then scroll down and click here add button. Now here you can see website is pending and it will take just few minutes, and after that we need to go here direct links, then after that click here direct link, select non-adult, and after that click here add. So here you can see it is also in the pending. It will take just few minutes. Let's go back and check the website. Here you can see now website is active. Now simply click here add, and after that let me select one of these, for example this one, and after that click here add. Now scroll down, and after that let's check. Here you can see it's in the pending, and it will also take just few seconds. Then after that it will be complete. Here you can see direct link is active, so just we need to copy this code. Simply copy it, and after that let's go in the website. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply go here in the post section, and after that let me recommend you a plugin. Make sure that you have installed that plugin. Just you need to go here, and after that you need to install Classic Editor. Simply activate this plugin. Now let's go back, and after that here I can add a title just for demo. Then now simply I can copy direct link and then select it, Control All, then insert link, add here. So now we have inserted the link. Now let's go back and we need to add a banner ad. Scroll down and here you can see banner, then get code, then copy code, and we can also use one another way. Just you need to search for ad inserter. So simply install this plugin and after that activate. Now let's see ad inserter settings. Simply go here and after that now simply paste here add code and after that click save settings. Now let's reload the page. Now here you can see ad is showing, and after that the next step is we need to promote this website. Simply you need to go in the plugin sections and after that you can install a new plugin. Just you can search for blog to social. You can easily install this plugin free of cost and after that activate it. Now scroll down and here you can see on the left side blog to social, then go in the dashboard. And after that here you can add social media networks. Scroll down and click here networks. Then here you can see these are various social platforms. Simply you can connect one by one with login details as well as directly redirection. Here you can see these are various popular platforms and after that you need to go all posts. Then simply you will see here share on the social media. So in this way you will share this post on all social platforms.